Hello, everybody. I may not be a familiar face to, I think, almost all of you. Not all of you, maybe most of you, I must say. Because I have not been posting my videos on YouTube. To give a small introduction of myself, I am Sanchita Chopra and I am a personality development, a soft skills, and a life skills trainer. If I talk about personality development, I look over topics like complete entire spoken English and things related to an individual in day to day life. I also talk about stress management, which is a major topic of discussion not only for few individuals, but I would say an individual of almost all age levels. So, now why am I forced to actually come on YouTube? I generally don't post, as I have already told you. No, none of my videos you will find on YouTube. But yes, now I promise that I will be sending almost daily, and also you can also suggest on certain things if you want to, from any topic from areas of my domain, and then definitely I will talk about them. So today I am talking about SWOT analysis. See, almost every individual around the globe is dealing with problem of COVID-19, which is a challenge for every individual. Now, either we fight with it, or I must say we should leave it like that. Definitely we want to fight with it. So now, fighting with it and utilizing time. See, if you sit idle, think about it, definitely you will fall under the category of depression, stress. So now we have to find out ways that we keep ourselves positive and actually utilize this time in certain way that when things come to normal, we can actually say that yes, we were not sitting idle, we were doing something that added something to our personality. I know most of the people know what SWOT analysis is. If I talk about SWOT, it's a 4-letter word where S means your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. These are the 4 SWOT meanings. Most of you might say we know SWOT analysis. Now, I must tell you why I'm talking about SWOT analysis is because SWOT analysis is something that will help you keeping yourself positive. It is not that you have been writing in your CV the same thing, you'll have to note them today also. SWOT analysis is something that keeps on changing. How? You may possess something new that will add on to your strengths. Now your weaknesses will definitely convert into your strengths. So we are not changing it time to time. If we change them time to time, definitely SWOT analysis is an ongoing process. That is what we are going to work upon. You have to work upon your weaknesses and convert them into your strengths. One day you will realize that definitely because you were doing it regularly, there are certain weaknesses that you have been able to overcome. Some people would say, how? Now my answer to this is like this. Suppose you have certain things written down in your S, that is your strength. Now that strength, you simply saying I'm a hardworking fellow will not help it out. You have to actually analyze a 360-degree survey of yourself. 360 degrees overall survey of your own self. None of us can help you doing your SWOT analysis. I'm sorry for people who say that they have been taking help of their masters, they've been taking help of their co-partners, they've been taking help of their family members, because I have heard people saying that SWOT analysis is something. So, what people think is we can take help from others and then we can add on to our SWOT analysis. No, my dear friends, SWOT analysis is only something that you yourself can write. It is something that is related only for you, by you, only for you. So this is something that we need to understand. This is a big myth in people who have been saying that we are going and taking classes to write down our SWOT analysis. You don't we know what are our strengths? Where we are lacking behind is we are not looking in inner ourself. That is looking at inner you. I say SWOT analysis is basically looking at your own self, looking at your inner consciousness, looking at your over 360-degree appraisal. We write about 360-degree appraisal of others. We are we've never taken out time to write down our 360-degree appraisal. Only when you understand that when you write about your own 360-degree appraisal, definitely you will be able to write down what basically SWOT analysis is. When I say I'm hardworking, okay, fine, that is my strength. How am I hardworking? There are only writing down hardworking will not add that to your strength. You have to actually think about it. How you are hardworking. Now think about only hardworking. Okay, I have one point. Hardworking. How am I hardworking? Are there any certain projects that I have taken down? Are there any certain challenges that I have taken down and I have worked for them with shoulder to shoulder? Are there? You have to actually think about one word and then you have to think about it. Okay, hardworking. So these are certain things that add on hardworking. So write down on daily basis. Now because you have time, some people are working from home. They might definitely you have I must say every individual of our country, not of only of our country, round the globe have time to work on their own self. This is the perfect time where you can write about yourself. You can start about writing about yourself. Let nobody see what you're writing, and then come down. At least write 5 points. Write 5 points about your strength. आपकी ताकत क्या है? आपको आपसे ज़्यादा कोई नहीं जानता. Maybe आपके जो peers हैं, आपके जो family members हैं, वो बोलते हैं कि हम आपको आपसे ज़्यादा जानते हैं. नहीं, आप खुद अपने आप को अपने से ज़्यादा नहीं जानते. So it is very mandatory to do your SWOT analysis on daily basis and see how positive you will feel. Definitely that will bring out certain changes in yourself, and you will find out that yes, this thing has helped you a lot. Write anything. Make a target of writing 10 strengths. If you've not, I know day 1 you will not be able to write them. But day 2, day 3, definitely in a week you will be able to give a proper SWOT analysis of your own self. Don't talk about ONT. We'll talk about it later, definitely. What are opportunities and what are threats? They are something different. But then only your strengths and weaknesses, and then you have to come down to your weakness. One more thing. When you write your SWOT analysis, your S and your your S and your W, you will find out that your strengths are less and your weaknesses have a big list. It has a reason. Why? Because we criticize ourselves. We have been criticizing ourselves like मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता life में. It happens with certain people. I have seen when I have been taking my live sessions with the postal department, maybe some corporates. I have heard people coming down with a problem. This thing has come up in myself. That is actually not. That is, you are lacking confidence somewhere. You can do it, definitely. Every individual is born with same characteristics. Yes, you might find it very difficult to listen. Same characteristics. Yes, almost every individual possess certain same characteristics. But certain people take time to understand them, and certain people, they are still thinking over it. The ones who are still thinking over it, they are in a phase of self-conflict. Though they are working, they are able to do everything they want to, but still they are not able to achieve what they have thought of. That is because you have not thought about your own self. Once you do this, what I'm telling you today and tomorrow, write it down and let me know in my comment section that yes, it worked, it helped. You will feel positive. Number 1, this time of challenge, what each and every individual is facing, this is the main why I have taken this as a first topic, is I want every individual to be positive first. I want every individual to know themselves first. Definitely we know 90% of you don't know yourself. I'm telling you, that's, you will find it कि ये क्या बोल रही है, but that's the reality, because we've never given time to ourselves. We are working on the same routine, waking up early, going to the office, then again working, then again coming back, and then tired, and then taking rest, and then next day again the same schedule. So write down your SWOT analysis. Think first, not only writing it down. Think that yes, if I'm writing this thing, if I'm writing, I'm confident. Are there certain things where I'm not confident? If even you get one thing, don't write it down. That is not your strength, that means. Write it in your weakness. Then work upon that. Why I am not able to add this confidence word in my strength. The next day, if okay, one example, a small example I'm telling everybody. If you write confidence and then you find something that has helped you not adding it into your strength. So that one thing that you've added, suppose I say, okay, I'm confident, but no. While I was in the meeting, I was not able to ask certain points. Why? Because I was not confident whether my boss would say something to me. That is lack of confidence. Not fear, that's a lack of confidence, that you were not confident enough on your query. So next day, you will write, the same day you will write down in your weakness. 5 times in front of the mirror. Speak something. Anything. Pick any topic and start speaking. And then see the confidence. You will definitely be able to achieve certain level of confidence. Then don't write it the very day that okay, now I'm confident. No. That one confident word to come in your strength will take at least a week's time. That too with regular practice. Maybe you'll have to, if you have family members around, sit with them. Talk. One day you will talk individually on any topic. Next day, ask somebody to listen. Call your friend or then start speaking with him. And then third day, ask your family members to sit and then speak on that topic. So similarly, we have to convert all our weaknesses into our strength section. Do it daily. Take out 5 minutes to do it. And then tell me what changes you've understood. Write down in the comment section. I'm telling you my mail ID. You can always mail me. If you have certain problems related to SW, that is your strengths and weaknesses, OT is still left. We'll talk about it later. You can write down, I'm telling you my mail ID, that is Sanchita, SANCHITA .CHOPRA 11 @gmail.com. I will definitely answer. I will definitely send you your answer to your queries. It might take a bit time because these days my inbox is generally, I'm getting lots and lots of mails. So I may be late in replying, but that will not definitely mean that I won't be replying you at all. Definitely I'll be replying you. So in the period of lockdown, let's all solemn that yes, the small activities that I'll be telling you on daily basis, you will be doing it, and definitely you will find a change in yourself. That's a promise. Keeping a promise, not only with I'm not promising to you all, you also have to promise to me that you will do it, and definitely you will find a change in yourself. So stay tuned for my next session and we'll be talking about something different. Thank you.